Hey everyone, it's Kino here. Thanks so much for joining me on this practice today. I'm in the beautiful Greek Isles on the wonderful, beautiful island of Santorini here at the Andronis Hotel. What a beautiful, spectacular view. We're going to dive into a quick core practice. So when you're ready, come to a comfortable seated position and close your eyes. Slowly tune into breath and body, noticing the quality of breath, noticing the state of the body, bringing peace into the mind, and allow your eyes to open. Let's get started on the hands and knees from the hands and knees plank, gripping your fingertips, rooting down through the knuckles, and then rotate the tailbone a little bit under. And we'll start off with retracting and protracting the shoulders, making sure that the front body is nice and squeezed in. Exhale, dip a little down. Inhale, pick it up. Exhale, let's go a little down and forward, and then inhale, again, pick it up. 3 more times. Exhale, down, little forward. Inhale, pick it up. 2 more. Down, little forward. Tighten the armpits. Pick it up. Last one. Down, little forward. Inhale, pick it up. Hold it there for a moment. Inhale, release the spine. Nice, long, deep breath. Exhale, round. Let's pick it up. Pull it under. Step your right leg back. Rotate the tailbone under, and let's come on up to plank. Plank position is a great space for you to integrate that core activation with the push-up from the shoulders, and we're going to retract and protract the shoulders again. Retract, protract. Again, retract, protract. 3 more times. Retract, protract. 1 more. Retract. Keep the body tight. Protract. And now Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Stay downward facing for a moment. Widen the shoulders. Draw the navel in towards the spine. And just let the breath be steady and deep. Give yourself a chance just to feel the body. And then let's slowly bend the knees, cross the feet underneath you, and pointing the feet. Slowly come up, begin to work on Navasana. You can stay here, or you can pick it up, or you can come all the way up to Navasana. We'll hold for 5 breaths. 1, look at the toes. 2, nice and easy. 3, keep the mind calm and steady. 4, almost there. And cross your feet. Inhale, hips back and up. And then exhale, set it down. We're going to do it again 1 more time. So you can stay here, find the way for you to work, or the toes up, or all the way up to Navasana. 1, just feel it. Just feel that front body working. 2, almost there. 3, 4, you can do it. Cross the feet. Inhale, hips back and up. Exhale now. Keep the feet and the knees together. Roll your spine all the way down. From here, rotate the tailbone under, fingers behind the head, and pick it up. And we'll just hold it there for a couple breaths. 1, 2, work your front body. 3, 4, and set it down. Lift the legs up, and we'll do it again. Inhale, pick it up, and we'll hold it for 5 breaths. 1, nice and steady. 2, 3, 4, and put it down. Let's do it again. Inhale, pick it up. 1, 2, 3, nice and steady. 4, and let's put it down. Now, draw the knees into the chest. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Straighten the legs, and pick it in, and all the way out. Let's do it 5 times. In and out. Squeeze it in and out. You can even lift the hips off the ground and all the way out. 3 more in, all the way out. 1 more in, all the way out. Last one. In, hold it, and all the way down. Relax. Okay, now bring both legs up and then place the hands underneath the hips. Hold it there for a moment, and then slowly left leg drops down, keeping the back on the ground. Pick it up. Right leg drops down, keeping the back on the ground. Pick it up. Then left leg and right leg into the chest. Keep the back on the ground. Switch. So we start to scissor the legs. Switch. Really do the work with those muscles of the lower abs. Working and going only as far as is comfortable for you. We'll do about 5 more. Switch. Switch. feel those lower abs really tightening and pulling in. Almost there. Nice and stable. Don't give up. Just work. Find where you can work. Okay, both legs together. Now, slowly, both legs little down. Then inhale, both legs little up. We'll do it about 5 times. Really tuck the tailbone. Feel the core muscles working. Pick it up. Then both legs, pick it up from the core. Feel the tailbone tucking. Lower abs up. 2 more. Lower abs as you really tuck the tailbone to bring the legs up. 1 more. Tuck the tailbone. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Come up. Now, take the arms forward. Tuck the chin in. Roll up to Navasana. Hold it. Stay there. Right there. Nice and easy. Then little, work the lower abs. Just kind of pulse your Navasana. Pulse it. Stabilize. Almost there. Feel it. You got this. Little more. You can do it with the knees bent. If it's too hard, cross your feet. Step all the way back to plank. Find your plank. Exhale. Chaturanga. Inhale. Upward facing. Exhale. Downward facing. Okay, now let's do the knees in. All right, so let's come to plank and then inhale. Right knee in, send it back. Left knee in, send it back. Let's try to touch the triceps. Left side, right side, left side, right side, left side, right side. Do a few more. Left side, right side, left side, right side. Almost there. Left side, right side. Let's do 2 more. Left side. Right side, do the last set. Left side, right side. Jump forward, bend your knees, go for a little squat. Hold it there, release, hands in prayer. Nice big breath in, big breath out. Calm the mind, then sit the hips all the way down, open the legs. Let the mind be nice and calm. Then rotate the tailbone under and inhale, lift the legs. Hold on to the outsides of the feet. Look up, stay for a couple breaths, and then release your hands. Hold the feet again, and release. Lifting the body, hold it with its own strength, hands in prayer. 2, mind is calm and steady. 3, almost there. 4, bend the knees. Come back to your squat just for a release. Shift the hips back as the chest goes down, then sink the hips down, straight legs. Open the right leg out, take the hands forward. Now, shoulders forward and hips back and up. Exhale down. And do it 2 more times. Shoulders forward and hips back and up. Exhale down. Last one. Shoulders forward and hips back and up. Exhale down. We can do the other side. Right leg in, left leg out. Shoulders forward and hips back and up. Exhale down. Shoulders forward and hips back. Exhale down. Last one. Shoulders forward and hips back and up. Exhale down. Oh, that was a lot. Now, come onto the knees again. Squat, find the release. Now, Bakasana. Knees into the armpits or just outside the triceps. Pick it up. 1, 2, 3. Shoulders, strong shoulders. Pick it back and up with the core. 4, jump back. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Step the right foot forward. Let's release the front of the hip. Just come to a nice easy lunge. No stress. Hang out there for a moment. Then inhale, raise the arms. Find the center line. 2 breaths here. Again, no force. Just a nice easy release. Exhale down. Then back to plank. Switch the sides. Left foot forward. Right knee down. Inhale up through the center line. Lift the spine up out of the pelvis. Let the mind be calm. Enjoy the moment. And exhale. Slowly back to plank. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. And exhale, downward facing. Cross your feet. Come to seated. Close your eyes for a moment. Bring the attention to breath and body. Notice the pace of the breath. Notice the inner sensations. Then gently switch the gaze towards the tip of the nose. Cross your feet. Last little lift up. Shoulders forward and hips back and up. 1, 2. Shoulders, more shoulders. 3. Draw the ribs in. 4.
And maybe you come off the ground, maybe not, but keep doing the inner work. 5, all the way down, close your eyes. Rest for a moment. Let mind and body come to a point of unity, a point of rest. Trust that all is good, that you put in the work. Let it be enough. Have faith in a power that's greater than yourself to sort out all the other details. Allow yourself a nice long deep breath in. And as you exhale, start to move fingers and toes, hands and feet. Bend the knees and the elbows. Draw the knees into your chest. Give yourself a little squeeze in. And then let's roll over onto the side. Come on back up to a comfortable seated position. Eyes closed for a moment, attention inward. Feel yourself grateful and appreciative of all the work that you put in, acknowledging the depth of the mind and the body. Gently bring your hands together and plant the seeds of peace. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. May I be filled with love. May all beings be happy, be peaceful, be filled with love. Thanks so much for joining me on the practice today. Remember to leave me a comment and let me know what other kinds of practices you'd like to see from me. And I hope you keep the seed of inspiration. Keep practicing. Namaste.